Welcoming a new baby into the world is a joyous occasion. But before the stork arrives, there's the important task of planning for maternity leave. It's a time that requires careful preparation to ensure a smooth transition for both mother and workplace. Firstly, understanding your maternity leave rights is crucial. Different countries and companies offer varying policies. In the United States, for instance, the Family and Medical Leave Act provides eligible employees with up to 12 weeks of unpaid leave. However, some employers may offer additional benefits. It's essential to review your company's policy and local laws to know what you're entitled to. Don't hesitate to ask HR for clarity or seek legal advice if needed. Once you're clear on your rights, it's time to prepare at work. Start by notifying your employer about your pregnancy as soon as you're comfortable. This gives them ample time to plan for your absence. Discuss potential leave dates and any flexibility you might need. It's also wise to create a handover document detailing your responsibilities and ongoing projects. This will help your colleagues cover for you while you're away. Remember, the goal is to leave your team well-equipped to manage without you. Preparing at home is equally important. Set up your baby's nursery and stock up on essentials well before your due date. Consider meal prepping or arranging help for the first few weeks postpartum. Also, plan your budget for the leave period, especially if you'll be receiving reduced pay or none at all. This might involve saving in advance or exploring government benefits available to new parents. In conclusion, planning for maternity leave is a multifaceted process. By understanding your rights, preparing at work, and setting up at home, you can embrace motherhood with peace of mind.